More than a year since a deadly shooting at Oxford High School took the lives of 4 students.
And since then, a number of lawsuits have been filed, both against the district and individual employees. However, a judge's ruling means that those employees are no longer facing legal action and cannot be sued in connection with the shooting. This news comes as the next phase in the trial for the parents of the shooter is set to begin in federal court.
And 7 Action News reporter Peter Maxwell is joining us live right outside the Court of Appeals in Detroit with the details on the next steps in both cases. Peter?
Well, you know, this could basically, you can just sum it up as this for the families and for the victims. This is a major blow to their lawsuit. Now, the argument that the families and the victims are claiming is that the school officials and employees violated the child protection law when it comes to the shooter. Now, the law requires people to report child abuse and neglect by a certain party or persons in the protection of children who are being abused or neglected. Now, in these multiple lawsuits, they're claiming that more than half a dozen school officials and employees knew about the incidents involving the shooter and allegedly ignored the clear warning signs exhibited by the shooter and were grossly negligent and the direct cause of injury. But Oakland County Circuit Judge Mary Ellen Brennan said the court concludes that, quote, Ethan Crumbley's act of firing the gun rather than the alleged conduct of the individual Oxford defendants was, quote, the one most immediate, efficient, and direct cause of the injury or damage. Now, this ruling does not apply to the shooter, who is already facing life in prison and already pleaded guilty to terrorism charges causing death and first-degree murder and 24 additional charges, and his parents, James and Jennifer Crumbley, who are charged with involuntary manslaughter. They're also appealing their case. Now, the attorney, Ben Johnson, who is the attorney for the victims and for the victims' families, said that they are deeply saddened and also disappointed by Judge Brennan's ruling. And tomorrow is when they will be here at the Michigan Court of Appeals to appeal that decision by Judge Brennan. Back to you guys in the studio.
All right, obviously the entire Oxford community following these developments very closely. Peter, thank you.